Now we're going to start talking about sample space, probability, finding different types of probability. For this slide, simply finding the sample space. I hope that you are reading the notes in the PowerPoint up to this point. Otherwise, there's going to be some definitions that we're going to be getting into that you will not understand the terms on the slide because you didn't read the definition. So please read through the notes, and if you have any questions, let me know. That's what I am here for, to help you. Okay, so sample space. Suppose an experiment consists of tossing two 6-sided dice and figuring the sum of the two dice. Find each of the following. The number of total outcomes in the sample space. That's the first thing we need to find, the number of total outcomes in the sample space. So this says that we are tossing two 6-sided dice. Okay, so we can fall back on the fundamental counting principle here. Fundamental counting principle says we have two things, each one of them has 6 sides. If we multiply that together, that is 36 items in our sample space, 36 total outcomes. Now, part B asks us to actually find the sample space. Find those 36 things. So, it says we are figuring the sum of two dice. So the sum of the two dice, that's going to be what our sample space consists of. What I've done on this page is built an addition table for you, just like you saw back in grade school, because this is the easiest way to build the sample space for the sum of two 6-sided dice. And just like in grade school, where we did 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4, that's how we're going to build this sample space. So let's complete this table. You can pause the video and complete the table, or complete it along with me. So 1 plus 4 is 5, and there is going to be a pattern. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then it's going to count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. And are you noticing in each row it's counting up as well? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have now built the sample space for the sum of two 6-sided dice. We will actually come back to this several times throughout Chapter 4 and on the Chapter 4 homework, because we're going to be using this sample space to answer questions. So make sure you can build this sample space on your own.